Guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this heterochromia filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You can tap on the screen to change the effect. You can remove the freckles, you can bring the eyelashes likewise. Okay, and you have different templates here to choose different eye colors likewise. I think this is the best heterochromia filter that's available in Instagram. So thanks to the creator. To get this effect, you can visit the creator profile. Anna is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in her filter gallery. She is having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, and this is the filter heterochromia. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, go to this web page. Link to this web page I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.